Hello guys! The best VR headsets can make you forget, even if just for a moment, you're wearing a big chunk of plastic and foam on your face. If nothing else, it will transport you to the world of a game, at least until you sit down on your couch. Therefore, we have carried out a study on the top VR headsets of 2024, and the results are here to help with figuring out which one is the best on the market. Meta Quest 3. The Meta Quest 3, which is a sequel to the wildly popular Quest 2, is the best VR headgear overall. It boasts more processing power, higher resolution displays, a more compact design, and improved optics. With improved pass-through cameras and a 2064x2208 resolution LCD panel for each eye, virtual and mixed reality visuals are crisper and of greater quality than in the Quest 2. A fast double tap on the headset side gives you a thorough overview of your surroundings. Additionally, a set of upgraded Touch Plus controllers, which do not have the noticeable ring around the hand like the older Quest 2 controllers, come with the Quest 3. Despite the minimalist design, controller tracking performs as well as you would expect. One of Meta's VR headgear's best features is how easy it is to set up. No tinkering with base stations is required. All it takes is a few simple steps on the headset and app to get it going. The Quest 3 barely lasts for around 2 hours when playing wireless games and streaming videos, so you won't be using it all day. The headset refuels in around the same amount of time, and you can continue to use it while it charges using a USB cord. DESTEK V5. Before committing to the pricey headset, this V5 is meant for those who are new to virtual reality. In contrast to most phone VR goggles, V5 offers universally accommodating areas for most glasses that can fit a wider range of user needs. To enhance your visual experience, it is also equipped with a pupil distance button that has a wider range. You feel more like a real climber than just a spectator or watcher thanks to the 110-degree field of view. In addition, it offers you the best virtual reality experience for watching 360-degree videos while maintaining a balance between immersion and view quality. This V5 is more portable indoors or out thanks to its lightweight design, weighing only 13 ounces. And by changing the buckles on both sides, the T-shaped headband can accommodate the majority of adult and child heat sizes and relieve pressure around the face. Oculus Quest 2. The brand's most sophisticated all-in-one VR device to date is the Oculus Quest 2. With every element designed to allow virtual worlds to adjust to your movements, you can explore incredible games and experiences with an unmatched level of freedom. Console or PC not needed. Here, next-generation graphics and lightning-fast speed let you make the most of every second. A gorgeous display with 50% more pixels than the original Quest helps you stay focused. Alternatively, you can escape the action by purchasing front-row tickets to special events, live concerts, and more. Your movements, motions, and actions are seamlessly transferred into virtual reality with the updated touch controllers, which offer enhanced ergonomics and user-friendly controls. You can unwind with your hands without dropping the controllers thanks to its knuckle straps. Its superior PU material provides additional durability, and the Velcro design makes it simple to modify the strap length to suit a variety of requirements. Moreover, it also features grip covers made of a lovely silicone substance that successfully shields against sweat, dust, and scratches, and an anti-slip bump that enhances the hand grip and feel. PlayStation VR 2. Among the greatest headsets we've examined is the PS VR 2. With its two 2K OLED HDR panels, you can essentially enjoy 4K quality. It's among the most cozy headgear available. Also, it boasts some very welcome new features like headset haptics and eye tracking. Yes, it truly has the power to rock your head. The best part is that a PlayStation 5 is all you need to use the PS VR 2 to experience high-quality virtual reality without spending more than $1,000 on a gaming PC. However, there are a few restrictions attached to our advice. The PS VR 2 costs $550, which is more than the PS5 itself. Plus, it's uncertain when its game library will run out. Gran Turismo 7 and Horizon VR are two of the few exclusives from the first run, and there haven't been many more releases subsequently. However, it's still the simplest method to use high-end VR, and it's a significant improvement over the PSVR original. GOOVIS G3 Max. The most sophisticated micro OLED screens are used in the GOOVIS G3 Max to give users the smoothest, most delicate visual experience possible. At a distance of 20 meters, it is comparable to a 1,000-inch ultra-clear gigantic screen effect. Here, you can enjoy the breathtaking experience of an IMAX big-screen movie at any time and from any location thanks to the optimal FOV of 65 degrees. You can also enjoy a wide variety of high-quality 3D movies anytime, anywhere, thanks to a more powerful function that supports 3D Blu-ray in addition to playing 2D movies. When watching 3D movies on the G3 Max, no additional glasses are needed, and as long as the source is 3D, it can display 3D movies flawlessly, unlike when watching them in a cinema. With its 2560 x 1440 resolution, you can see all of the detail in the highlights and shadows. You can experience picture quality that is crisper, smoother, and more delicate with the G3 Max as opposed to standard screens, as well as with a high resolution of 3528 ppi and 46 ppd. G3 Max perfectly balances FOV, PPI, and PPD. When playing video games or watching TV, there is no screen door effect. You get an unmatched visual experience since every detail is visible. And with that, we come to an end. We hope you found a great pair that fit your demands and price range. All of these product links are included in the description below. Check it out to get the greatest deals on Amazon. Until then, bye. We'll see you in the next.